We've heard a lot about the U.S. CHIPS Act. Here's why Intel wants the U.S. government to help increase American competitiveness in semiconductor manufacturing. The world needs globally balanced supply chains. Manufacturing evenly spread around the world helps mitigate disruption caused by natural disasters, geopolitical conflicts, or another pandemic. In 1990, 80% of the world's semiconductors were produced in the US and Europe. Today, that's flipped. 80% are produced in Asia. Asian countries provide huge government support for their domestic chip manufacturing, creating a 30 to 50% cost disadvantage to manufacture chips in the US. The US government wants it more cost competitive to build fabs in the US. The US Congress must approve $52 billion to help semiconductor companies invest in manufacturing and R&D on American soil. The world runs on semiconductors. The CHIPS Act will advance US national security, the economy, and supply chain resilience.